Hi, I'm Lee. Welcome to the channel. I hope you're having a lovely day. So in this video, we're going to be having a look at something interesting. So very often when I'm out filming myself, if I'm filming with my phone, it's a bit of a hassle, or can be a hassle, because I'm either holding my phone with my hands, which is challenging because I'm a handy talker. That's what I meant to say. Or I've got my monopod, which is handy because I can just pop the phone on the monopod and magnet it like that. But carrying around the monopod with me, even when it's small, can be a bit of a hassle. So Sandmarc have actually come up with a really clever little idea of what you can do to get around that, which is this little magnetic holder. So how this works is you pop your phone onto the holder and then you just stick it onto a metal surface, and hey presto, you now have a really handy holder for your phone, and your hands are free to do what you want. And big magnetic, there's tons of different options of things that you can pop it onto to do it. And we'll have a bit more details to look at when we jump into the office now. Welcome to the office. So this is a closer look at the Active Mount from Sandmarc. A couple of features, not a lot to talk about with it. So that is obviously your magnetic bit, and you can see that it is a good healthy size in terms of magnet. So it's really pretty strong in terms of how strong it is as a magnet. It's not going to let go too easily, which is a good thing. You then got this little adjustment dial, so you can adjust the angle and the pitch, and sort of where it points and all that kind of stuff. So really easy to adjust. A thing that I really like about the phone mount that they've given us with this, so sort of your typical phone mount, is if I unscrew it, you can see that down on the bottom, this one has got a 1/4-20. So you can pop this onto a tripod if you wanted to, like that, and add it to a tripod and just use it as a holder. It's also got a sort of little bit of a cold shoe mount here at the top, so you've got that as an option, so it's sort of multiple functions. And because this has got a 1/4-20 on the bottom, you could use this to attach it to non-phone cameras, he says confidently. And so for example, if you had a 360 camera, you could use this to mount your 360 camera onto a magnetic device. You can see that it's holding on pretty well. I wouldn't trust it too much, but that's holding not too bad. You can see it wobbled there a little bit, but that is because this is quite a heavy camera. If I had, let's say, something like a GoPro on it, wouldn't have any sort of issues with that. So again, you could just pop a GoPro onto here and use this as a magnetic mount for your GoPro as well. So I do like the versatility of the Active Mount from Sandmarc, and that's pretty much all there really is to say about it. That is the Active Mount from Sandmarc for phones and other things if you want to magnet them onto stuff. It really is the versatility of sort of all the different places you can have that. And I think the size, the fact that you can just keep this in your pocket, or you could sort of make it even a bit more portable and have those two bits in pockets, so it's really easy to carry around, and yeah, sort of have a mount for your phone almost everywhere you go. So the Sandmarc Active Mount is $69.99. So let's just round it out to 70. So $70 US. That's not a bad price for something that's this well and solidly made. And you definitely want something that's good and solidly made, because you don't want your phone falling down. So that is the Active Mount from Sandmarc. I really like the versatility of this. I like the fact that you can use it with a phone, or you can use it with other cameras as well. Obviously you want to use it with lighter cameras. I like the size. I mean, the fact that you've got something as small as that, you can easily keep it in your pocket, and that is pretty much a mount almost anywhere you go where there's just a metal surface you can pop the mount onto. So yeah, that is the Active Mount from Sandmarc. I hope this video was helpful. I hope it was useful. If you have found it helpful or useful, please like and subscribe. If you've already subscribed to the channel, thank you so much for your support, and we'll catch you on the next one. Safe and happy active mounting. Oh, no, safe and happy whatever you're doing. That, or yeah, just safe and happy. Safe and happy mount. What the hell are you thinking? Safe and happy active mounting. That's, we're going to get letters. We're going to get letters about that one. I'm such a numpty.